Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Hermansater, and I'm going to go over your math that's in your activity packet for today. And it's a review talking about place value and also talking about expanded form. And we remember from school that expanded form is when we stretch the number out. If you think about our little blue cards that we would use in school, and we stretch it out. So let's take a look at what you have to do today. There are different sections for the 2 pages of work, but they're all somewhat similar. And you really just need to take your time and look to see what they're asking you. So for the first activity up at the top, they give you the number 106. But let me back up and let's take a look at the top where it has the directions. So the activity is place value equations. And we know that an equation always has the equal symbol in it. So they want us to make true equations. And we know something that's true is like a factual statement. So they want us to write one number in every space. So they're giving us the number and they're giving it to us in numerical form, 106. And then they're telling us it equals 100 plus how many tens and how many ones. So if we go over and look at the numerical form of it, the numbers 106, I know that this is the ones column, this is the tens column, and this is my hundreds column. So now they already told us there's how many hundreds? 1. That's filled in for you. Now you're going to go to the tens column. How many tens do you see? 0. So we would have 0 tens. And how many ones do we have? 6. So then we would put 6 ones here. So then we would have 100 plus 0 tens and 6 ones, and then that makes our equation balanced. It makes it a true equation. Okay, so you're going to go through and do these, and you just need to make sure you take a look to see what they're asking you for each one. And then, oops, we're going to go down to this section, okay? And it says 2 hundreds plus 3 ones is greater than that little arrow, remember, like the alligator chomp, okay? And then they say 5 tens plus 9 ones. So if I look at this first part of the equation, 2 hundreds and 3 ones. So 2 hundreds, a 0 in the tens place, and 3 ones. So my number would be 203 is greater than 5 tens and 9 ones. And I know that 5 tens and 9 ones makes the number 59. So I have to ask myself, 203, is it greater than 59? And it is, so I would circle the answer true. And then you're going to go on and take a look at the next ones. And remember, you have to look at your alligator chomper. And remember, the bigger side points to the bigger number. So in this one, it's going in this direction, but it may switch up and be in this direction. So take your time and pay attention to which way that is pointing before you answer your questions. And make sure that you balance your equation. Not actually, you look at them on both sides to see which number would be greater. And then you would be able to say which one is true. And then if it's not true, then it would be false. And on our second page, yikes. So again, making true equations. You're going to write one number in every space, and you can draw a picture using the quick base 10 drawing. So you can draw on a separate piece of paper. And remember our base 10 sticks and our ones that we use at school. So the equation says 100 plus 4 tens. So think for a second. We have a number that's going to go in the hundreds place and another number that's going to go in the tens place. And I know if I have 100, so it would be 100 140. So 140 would be what I would put on the line. Okay, and then go ahead and fill in the rest of the areas that are blank. It's using the same numbers, but asking you different questions in different ways. Oh my goodness, sorry, keep going forward. And then same down here at the bottom, go ahead and fill in what they're asking you. Think about how we stretch the numbers out at school to make the expanded form, okay? Take your time and make sure you pay attention to all the little details. I know you'll do a great job, okay? Have a great day. Bye.